Guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM, guys. In this video I'm talking about the price update of Stellar XLM, the price changes occurs in Stellar XLM, and what's going on. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos, guys. Now the latest price is about 0.285043 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Stellar XLM. Furthermore, guys, if we study the price changes, so now the last 1 hour update is positive 0.66%, last 1 day is negative 2.63%, last 1 week is about negative 11.11%, guys. So from yesterday, from last 1 week and from last 1 day, the Stellar XLM are completely going in the dump. Not only from last 7 days, simply from September, from the start of September, Stellar XLM are going negative. Let me show you the price chart. You can see here, guys, from 4th September, Stellar XLM price start dumping, and still, guys, you can see here the price is in the dumping mode, guys. But now, guys, my prediction of about Stellar XLM are going positive, guys, and I believe, guys, I'm sure about that at the last of months a lot of cryptocurrencies, a lot of coin I found positive, guys. So possibilities maybe Stellar XLM also become positive, and they will give you profit, guys. So please, I recommend for you, please hold, don't decide to sell, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.